Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, dear students. I hope you are all doing well. I welcome you all in class of O-level mathematics. My name is Azmat Ali. Our discussion is continue on the chapter further sets. So far, we discussed how to shade the Venn diagram when we have a set notation. But in today's lecture, we will describe the shaded region. Then when we have a given Venn diagram and we have to write the corresponding sets. For example, this is a first Venn diagram. In this diagram, you can see there are the two intersecting sets, set A and set B, and only set A is shaded. So the set notation for this Venn diagram is simple, the set A. So its answer is set A. Similarly, in B parts, you can see the only set that is shaded here is the set B. So its answer is simple B. In part C, you can see here the intersecting area of both circles is shaded. So this represents the intersection of two sets A and B. So its answer is A intersection B. Here you can see both of the circles are shaded. So whenever you find both circles are shaded, so it always represents the union of two regions. The first region is complete circle R A, and this is region 2, which represent the circle B. So it is the union of two regions. The region 1 is set A, and region R2 is set B. So it represents A union B. In E parts, you can see everything is shaded inside the rectangle, and as well as the set B. But circle A is not shaded. So it represents actually A complement. This is A complement. Similarly, this F part represents the B complement, because each part of this Venn diagram is shaded other than set B. So this is B complement here. Now we have some more advanced level question. Question number 15. In this Venn diagram, you can see some portion or some area of the set X is shaded here. So actually it represents X difference Y, that consists on all elements of set X. All elements of X, not in Y. That is the definition of X difference Y. And further you can write it as actually X intersection Y complement. X difference Y is X intersection Y complement here. Similarly here, some portion of set Y is shaded, that is not included in set X. So this actually represents Y difference X. Or in simple words, you can write it as Y intersection X complement. In the C part, if you see, the outer region of both circles is shaded here. This is the outer region inside the rectangle, but not outside and not inside the circles. Suppose these are the two circles, set X and set Y. If you find their union, you will shade both of the circles. This represents X union Y. But in the figure, you can see the outward area of the circle is shaded. So this is X union Y complement. This is simply this consists of the three regions actually. R1, the area inside the rectangle outside the circle. This is R2, that is set X, and this is R3. this is x intersection y, which is not shaded here. So actually this represents x intersection y complement. Everything is shaded here other than x intersection y, so this is a complement of x intersection y here. The figure E, actually figure E is complement of, this is the complement of figure B. If you see what is the figure B, in the figure B you can see here some portion of y is shaded, but here in the figure E everything is shaded other than y. So actually this is the complement of figure B. What is the figure B? In the figure B we have a set notation y intersection x complement, y intersection x complement. So to find the set notation of E, we can take y intersection x complement, complement of y intersection x complement. By using De Morgan law, you can write it as y complement union x complement whole complement. This is y complement union x. You can verify directly this set notation from the figure. If you find y complement is the portion or the area outside the y. That shows the area inside the rectangle, the area inside the x. So this is actually y complement. But in the figure you can see the circle x is fully shaded and some area and all area of the inside the rectangle is shaded. So this is actually x union y complement. Similarly here everything is shaded other than this area, so this represents actually x complement union y. The figure F is actually the complement of figure A. What is the set G? In G, you can see here the inner of x and outer of y is shaded. This is simply x difference y, that is x intersection y complement here. In H, you can see there are the two regions shaded. This is the region 1, that is inside the rectangle and outside the set x, and this is my region 2, which is inside the set y. So this is the union of two disjoint sets R1 union R2. What is R1? R1 is x complement union y. I is very simple. Simply there are the two circles fully shaded, y and z. So this is y union z here. What is j? In j you can see everything is shaded other than x, and there is a no shaded area inside the rectangle. So actually this is the intersection of x complement intersection y union z. If you find here x complement, then x complement is the shaded region other than x. So it will shade, so it includes the shaded region inside the rectangle, y, this portion of y, this portion of z also. So this purple area that I have shaded here, this represents x complement. But in the actual figure, you can see here, when you take this purple area, the intersection of this purple area with the blue shaded area given in the book, you can find the intersection of this, that is x intersection y intersection z. Next we discuss last, and these are the important questions. Describe the shaded region in the Venn diagram. Here we have also two regions. This is region 1 and this is my region 2. If you observe, region 1 consists on the set P, portion of set P that is not included in the set Q. So this is actually P difference Q, which is P intersection Q complement. Similarly, the region 2 represent the shaded region of Q which is not included in P. So this represents Q difference P, which is Q intersection P complement. So as there are the two portions which are shaded here, so the required region is given by R1 union R2. What is R1? R1 is P intersection Q complement union Q intersection P complement here. Next one. Using your answer to part 1, describe the shaded region in the Venn diagram in the set notation. If we have not imposed the condition of part 1, this is the simple answer of this question is the unshaded region is P intersection Q. Everything is shaded other than P intersection Q, so the answer is simple, P intersection Q whole complement. This is the simple answer. But we have a condition that by using answer of part 1, we have to write the set notation of the shaded region in part 2. As in part 1, we have already two region R1 and R2 whose union is given by P intersection Q complement union Q intersection P complement. Now there is also a third region which is inside the rectangle and outside the circle. What is the region? What does the R3 represent? R3 is actually P union Q complement. This is the P union Q complement. Because in case of union, we shade both of the circles. This represents P union Q, but its complement will lies here outside this region. So the outsided area, this outsided area inside the rectangle represent P union complement of P union Q. So the final answer of the second part is complement of P union Q. So this is the technique to find the set notation when we have given shaded region in the Venn diagram. In the next lecture, inshallah, we will discuss statement or words statement type question like this in the Venn diagram, and these are the very important. So see you in the next lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.